Hello everyone, so this is the hairstyle I decided to wear today. This is actually the same unit that I had on last week. I told you all last week that I'm going to be wearing this for about 3 weeks, so this is week 2 of me wearing it. And I'm going to wear it one more week, and next week I'm going to be wearing probably another unit, or I'll do something else with my hair. But basically, I'm on my protective style, so that's what I'll be doing for a while. You won't be seeing my hair out for a while, probably till summer maybe, when the months get a little bit warmer. The last protective style I'm going to do, I'm going to be actually putting braids in my hair. So I'm going to wait till the weather get a little warmer, and then I'm going to add some braids. I'll be wearing those probably for 3 to 4 months, maybe 6 months. I don't know, depends on how I feel. And then I'll be wearing just my hair out. So you'll see that later on. The outfit I have on today, I have on this black and white dress that I purchased off eBay, I believe. I hadn't worn it yet. This is my first time wearing it. The dress is mainly black, which you will see in pictures at the end of this video. It's hard to see on camera. You get all of it in focus on camera. But the dress is mainly black. It has a little bit of white in the collar. You see it has white trimmed around the collar. And it has like this black and white striped insert. Like, well, not insert, but it's like a little design in the center of the dress. And it also has it like in the center, down the front of the dress in the front. Like in this wide tail. You'll see it in pictures at the end of this video. The dress actually came with a not a black and white, but a white belt. I'm not wearing the belt, but I'm going to show it to you right quick. So this is the belt that actually came with the dress. Like I said, I'm not wearing it. I like the belt, but I'm not wearing it this morning. I end up putting on the belt that the little insert thing that I made for a dress. I showed you all a while ago. And one of the videos I did, I think there was a video I did the polka dot bloom set in. And I made it, and I probably won't be able to get on my tiptoes so you can see it. But you'll see in pictures at the end of this video. It's just the bling, it's blinged out all over in the front. And let me see if I can get my camera to go down low enough so I can show it to you. So this is the belt. And it's just, I showed it to you, in, like I said, in the polka dot bloom video. And it slides onto a regular belt. It has like these elastic things in the front where you can just slide your belt through it and put it on. And my belt is actually buckled in the back. I just turned it around backwards in the back. So yeah, so that's what I did. That's the belt that I decided to wear today. The rest of the jewelry, on this hand I have this white pearl bracelet, beaded bracelet. I think I purchased it at It's Fashion Metro, I believe, a while ago. On this hand I have my Betty Boop ring. It's black. And I have a black ring that my sister purchased. She got me. I think she got it at her local beauty supply store. And I also have a black and white stripe bracelet on this hand. I have some earrings to go with this. I'm not wearing the earrings this morning. These are the earrings I decided to wear. They came with a flower on it. I told you about it a while ago. I popped it off and added some crystal crystal clear rhinestones on it. And the necklace is a necklace that I received from bornprettystore.com. It was a review video. And I'll put the link to it in the info box if I can go back and find it. I don't know if they still carry this necklace or not, but I'll see. But it's very, very blingy and chunky, and it ties like in a ribbon. It's really lightweight too. It's really, really comfortable to wear, and it ties in a bow. And I just tied it under the collar of my dress so it'll sit like right in the center of my dress, and they have like this little cutout, pretty much. And the purse, I'm talking fast, and my battery is about to die and needs charging. But the purse that I'm taking today, I'm taking this black and white MK bag. And the purse was a review video, I believe. This one was. So this is the handbag that I'm taking. I love, love, love this handbag. And the shoes that I'm wearing today are the shoes that I did in the video that I showed you. I was bored and I decided to design me a pair of shoes to go with this outfit. I didn't have anything else to do. That day I didn't have anything to do. So I decided to design these. If you haven't seen the video will be up soon. Hopefully you'll see that video before you see this one, but I'm not sure which one is going to be uploaded first. But these are the shoes. I just added black and white pearls to the back of them. And I kind of outlined it with a little bit of crystal clear in the front of the shoes. I did with this design in the front. These were like some extra crystals that I had left over. The clear ones were like some extra crystals that I had left over from something. I can't remember. Some previous project that I did. And I decided to just add like a design in the front of the shoe. The shoe was already open toe, pretty much already. The shoes I purchased off eBay a while ago. Sometimes I purchase shoes and I just, if they're priced reasonably, I'll just purchase the shoes and stack them for myself. And whatever, like if I need a pair of shoes a certain color, I just go in the closet and pull out a pair of shoes and just bling them the color I need them to be. These I decided to keep black. But I decided to add like black and white. I have quite a few black and white striped dresses that I have. So these shoes I'll be able to wear these with quite a few of my dresses. I have, I think, like three or four black and white striped dresses. So I know I'll get away with wearing those with these. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.